In this section, we are going to use Spatial Toolkit components to create an interaction without writing any code. The Spatial Creator Toolkit provides pre-configured components that can be added to objects in Unity to give them behavior. These components allow you to create interactions such as triggers, teleportation, or clickable objects, all without programming. For example, you can define where the player appears using an entrance point, create interaction zones using trigger events, or allow objects to respond to user input using interactable components. Before creating the trigger, let's look at a simple example. Locate the entrance point in the hierarchy, select it, and in the scene view, use the Move tool to reposition it. You can drag the arrows to place it anywhere in the environment. This determines where the player will appear when the scene starts. Now let's continue with the interaction. We want the pellet to disappear when the player touches it, using only a trigger. To do this, go to the hierarchy and locate the pellet object. Right-click on it, go to Spatial, and select Trigger Event. This will create a new trigger event object as a child of the pellet. Now select the trigger event. In the inspector, you will see a parameter called Radius. Adjust this value so that the green sphere fully covers the pellet. This sphere defines the area where the interaction will be detected. Next, scroll down to the On Enter Event section. Click the plus button to add a new event. Drag the pellet object into the empty field. Then, in the Function dropdown, select Game Object and choose Set Active. Make sure the checkbox remains unchecked. This means that when the trigger is activated, the pellet will be deactivated and disappear. Now run the scene and test the interaction. When you touch the pellet, it should immediately disappear. This is a simple example of how to create interactive behavior using spatial components without writing any code.